Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, let's quickly learn the content creation basics, which is very much important in digital marketing. Alright, so the very first thing that we are going to learn is what is content creation. And do not worry that I'm only teaching the theory. Very soon, right after completing the theory, we will enter into the practical sessions like how I have taught you creating the WordPress website from the very basics. I want to focus on the theory first, and as soon as it is done, we will focus on the practicals as well. Now, what is content creation? It is a process of producing very useful and engaging material that will really attract our target audience. Now, when it comes to SEO, the content can be in various forms, right? It can be a blog post or videos or even photo galleries, guides or FAQs, anything. Each piece of content that we create, it will give the search engines like Google a lot of opportunities to understand our website and keep the website on the very top of the Google search engine results page. So keeping the relevant keywords on our website is very much important. Now, why the content is important for SEO? What is the Google's primary goal? It is to provide the valuable answers to the users. When the user is searching for iPhone 16 Pro Max, Google have to show all the results that are related to iPhone 16 Pro Max. When the users search for Tata Harrier, the Google have to show all the results that are related to Tata Harrier. So the more relevant, helpful and well organized content that we keep on our website, the higher it will show our website on the top of the Google search engine results page. So for Click and Capture Studio, creating useful content around wedding photography, model photography or product photography helps it to show up in the searches of Google when the client or maybe when the user looking for photography services or tips or ideas on the Google search engine page. I hope you understand why content is very much important for SEO. Now we will quickly learn the types of content that we can keep on any particular website. Now when it comes to the Click and Capture Studio, first I want to talk about the blog post. Imagine that we are writing a blog post on Click and Capture Studio website. How to prepare for your wedding photo shoot, or maybe top wedding photography trends in 2024. Imagine that a couple is getting ready for a wedding photo shoot. So they want to know how they have to prepare for a wedding photo shoot. So they will search the same keywords on the Google, and since we have written a blog post that is related to how to prepare for your wedding photo shoot, they will read the Click and Capture Studio blog post. It will educate the visitors, it will answer their questions, and then the Click and Capture Studio blog post is giving the users a chance to use their services. And also by writing the blog post and by keeping the relevant keywords, the Google will show or maybe pop up the Click and Capture Studio website on the top of the Google search engine results page. Now the second thing is image galleries. Now the Click and Capture Studio is all about wedding model and product photography, right? Imagine that we showcase different wedding photo shoots that we have done. It can be outdoor photography or vintage photography or even the destination weddings. When we keep the image galleries on the website, it not only engages the visitors, but it will also help the SEO when we add the keywords to the image descriptions, and when the user searches for the appropriate keywords, the Google will pull Click and Capture Studio website and keep it on the top of the Google search engine results page. Now the third thing is videos. Now imagine that on the Click and Capture Studio, we are taking some of the videos like behind the scenes of a wedding photo shoot, or maybe we are just shooting one of the video where we are saying that tips for choosing your wedding photographer, something like that. The main purpose to do the videos and keeping on the website is to keep the visitors on our site a longer time, which will obviously improve the SEO. And when we do a more engaging content, the users will share our videos to other people, and then they will be landing on our website, which is a very good thing, right? And then the next thing is guides and how to content. It is always good to write some of the guides, maybe ultimate guide to wedding photography style, or how to pose for your wedding photos, something like that. When we write the step-by-step content, it will attract more people who are really looking for a detailed information. It is one of the good way for us to keep the appropriate keywords and to attract the customers through guides and how to content activity. And now the final thing is FAQs, frequently asked questions. Now when it comes to wedding photography, most of the people will look for a frequently asked question, right? What's included in a wedding photography package? Or maybe how do you handle difficult lighting conditions, something like that. When we answer specific questions, it will help us to rank for a long tail keywords. They are especially useful for local SEO. as most of the people will often search for specific questions, right, about what's included in a wedding photography package. So these are the types of content when it comes to the Click and Capture Studio website. And also, if you're managing any client business, focus on blog post, image galleries, videos, guides, and finally the FAQs. FAQs which will be very much important in terms of content creation. And in next video, I want to quickly let you know about the steps to create effective SEO content, which will be very much important. If you really find my videos helpful, please continue watching all my digital marketing classes, and I'll see you in the next video where I will explain this particular topic. Thank you so much.